Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to draw a realistic eye. So this tutorial is for beginners and with easy to follow steps. And the materials used in this video will be mentioned in the description box. Here I have my Menora sketchbook, but you can use any other drawing book or paper that you have. So this is the page that we are going to use, and this is for mermaid, mermaid. So I think I'll do a video on that as well. So you will need a kneaded eraser or a normal eraser, a mechanical pencil or a simple normal pencil, whatever you have. You will even need a blending stump or 2 cotton swabs like I am using. So let's actually get into the drawing process now. So for the eye, create an almond shape first, and the almond shape should be only slightly tilted and a little bit towards the left. You have to draw a circle for the eyeball and then just sketch out the area around the eye, like the eyebrows, etc., and draw a circle in the middle of that circle, that larger circle, which is the eyeball, and the smaller circle in the middle, it's the pupil. Leave a little highlight and shade it, and shade the eyeball lightly. Then use your blending stump to blend all of that. So go in circular motions to get a smoother blend between the pencil lines, and to get a smoother color. And go around your eye with a darker pencil, with a darker pencil, or just press a little harder. Then shade in the white of the eye directly using the cotton swab, because it already has some lead on it. So you can just shade it in directly using the cotton swab, and then just darken the eyelids. I don't know, you call the skin above the eye where the eyelashes are. I think they're the eyelids. Yeah, so I think they're the eyelids, right? So now just darken the eyelids and make the eyelashes. Go in swift strokes to create these eyelashes. Then lightly shade in the eyebrow and blend it using the cotton swab, and use the similar motion that we used for the eyelashes to create the hair on the eyebrows to make it look more realistic. And you just have to render the eyeball to make it look a little realistic. So if you have a kneaded eraser, it's excellent. It's so good that you have one. It'll be very easy for you to erase a lighter part and then blend it. If you don't, you just need to be a little careful with the normal eraser, and you'll get the same exact results that I'm getting now. And if you don't get the exact same results on the first try, don't give up, because drawing, it's not a talent. It's just a learned art. It's a skill. So don't give up. Try once again and make your drawing once again. So you must be wondering why I placed that printer paper there. It's just so that the lead on my hand doesn't smudge on the whole paper. It's got no big reason to be there, but yeah, it's just there. And blend with the cotton swab, darken up the areas on the skin, make the eyelashes, make the skin around the eyes, give some creases, etc. And to make the highlights even more visible, use a white gel pen, or just let it be, and sign it, give it a little date, and there you have your beautiful realistic eye in simple and easy to follow steps. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel.